Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing my flip through of my completed Week in the Life album for 2024. My products used are all Ali Edwards from the Week in the Life kit for this year. There is a previous video for setup and supplies, and then a process video for me putting together Monday, and then that process just repeated each other. And now this is just a complete album walkthrough. I will do this one as a little bit of a chattier version, and then I'll film it again with just music. So let's get started. Starting off with a, let me zoom in a little bit, with a scrap lift from the lovely Morgan Beal. She did hers similar to this, and I loved it so much I had to kind of recreate it. So the transparency has the title Us, and then the Week in the Life, and then our little kind of selfie moments and our ages are on there, and it turned out good. And I just put pom-pom trim on mine because the page is actually a little bit shorter than the rest of them. It's not 7 inches wide, which is just so odd, but we will look past that. Printed that out on a 4x6, have these two 4x6s, reason why. And then we start in on my kind of repetitive photo every day is where I took my coffee. And then I also did it with her school outfit. I just simply forgot to take it for Saturday, which was us kind of having a cousin and pool day. I can always go back and put one in, but for now it's fine the way it is. It is what it is. Just filled it with some pattern paper. I had put the acetate on the outside of the acetate word on outside the acetate sheet, and then on each card inside are 3 things I was grateful for in my handwriting. I opened up each day with a full page photo, and then another full page photo, and I used a lot of the strips per day on these photos. We have the three 3x4s, and then the journaling card, both sides. My Hello Monday cards, these are all having ing words on there, and I picked a few different ones every day to kind of represent what I was actually going on. It's actually Earth Day, so I put a school project in there. Then we have our 2x2s. I filled most of the ones that had me, you, and us with my journaling, but that one I just kind of had put her and her manicured nails, and I thought that was just perfect. Ephemera from the day, like my gym stats. I did a couple of returns, picked up a prescription. I did my morning vitamins, afternoon vitamins, and then my evening medication. I did a slender picture on the back side of this. And then for these, I did end up covering up the low and the high. I just didn't want to track weather. I live in Florida. It's the same weather every day. So with that same pattern paper you saw here, that's one with the squares that was from the rainbow kit. I just did strips of paper and then stamped out the date with my mega date stamp from Studio Calico, and then kept it consistent like that. So then we repeat with the word on the acetate, the journaling of the gratitude for the day. Full page photo, then the 3x4s. The ing words are on the back here. Here are the 2x2s, and there's the handwritten journaling, and then the opposite side too. Got my new jar of vitamins that day, and not too much ephemera. I probably didn't like open up packaging a lot that day, so that's why there was pretty much nothing else. So we just added more pictures to the spread. Just a morning picture, afternoon of homework, evening of watching TV, and then I did a long picture of the front of our fridge. Here's that paper strip again, and then put the date stamp on there. Tuesday was a very busy day. Wednesday was a bit busy day in a different way of just errands. So Wednesday, I do like the letters on this acetate. The gratitude once again, full page photo. I did a little bit of a cluster here. 3x4s, INGs. This one has an extra little page protector. I made dinner. We had ice cream after dinner. We were on a good routine this day, which is why there's ice cream. Because if she doesn't finish dinner before 7, she normally doesn't get it. Because after 7 o'clock, you know, we're winding down for bedtime, and I just don't like her having so much sugar before bed. So when there is an ice cream night, it's because we finished everything before good timing. their little playtime when daddy gets home. More journaling. 2x2s, made pasta, bought a phone case, returned a library book. Moana chews everything whenever she can find. So this one she found Vale's like milk cup and just chewed the whole turpis lid. She chews something every day, so that's why it's funny that I have that. Me reading at lunch, and then evening snack. I was munching on popcorn in here while I was doing crafts. That's what that picture is. Vertical spread picture of her playroom, and then the date once again on that Wednesday. This one also has an extra 4x6 page protector in here. A lot, just like I said, happened that day. Here's Thursday, the gratitude, full page photo. I did my journaling on the photo too before I printed it. 3x4s, more 3x4s. This day there's hidden journaling. I actually had you know, like a fight with my hubby, so not a fight, like an argument. But I wanted to keep it in here because this is just real life sometimes, and I think that deserves to be in here. After I got off the phone call, you know, you just cry and mope about it and get pissy. Currently words. Then we did more 2x2s, a lot of audio reading. This was like lunch packaging, and I went to the gym that day too, so I did a screenshot. Morning coffee, learning how to play Battlefield, and eating cheesy pasta for dinner. Her Barbie house, her Rainbow High Barbie house. Date stamping. So you can see the formula there. This one too has an extra page protector for the day. A lot of photos. You can see too, at least for me, and it doesn't bother me, but my photos in each day are not per se in chronological order. It was just more or less the orientation of the photo, because this was like my morning commute. This is clearly bedtime. And like, granted, bedtime, I could really move this one and put this one here so that the bedtime is the last one, but that's really like the only one that really changes orientation. But it doesn't bother me looking through it and having it kind of a little out of order. Gratitude, once again, this is Friday. I used one of the title pieces, and don't get me wrong, I did liquid glue, and you can totally see it, so it kind of drives me nuts, but I love the photo so much that I know I'll probably use it again. Then we did another full page. This is a repeated photo in all of my albums. I always have a picture of our cars, because believe it or not, our cars have changed throughout the years. One time, you know, his is gray, mine is white. His was gray, mine was black. And then truly, I just got this new car because my old car engine broke and imploded. So I always take, this is a photo I always take every year too, because our cars change. Went to the library, Amazon packages. I started doing a diamond painting, ing words. Here, Mike, all of the, and some of them I left blank like this so that they could see through, which was fine too when you don't have enough ephemera. This day I had to refill all the ink in my Epson printer, Picture Mate. I got printer photo paper, diamond dots. That was the new one I did that day, the strawberry. And I got a new pair of earrings. And this one too, my binder, this was the last one. I bought 5 of these at one point. This is the last one to use. And the top binder is broken. It has like a little gap, and it's been driving me batty with this. Got a car wash, ate lunch, painted our nails at night. Picture of my front door with our wreath. Still the date. Did some gardening, planted flowers. We have a new decompression machine at our office. My sister went on a hike, sent me that photo, so that's fun to include other voices. Did a haul that day. This haul video is on my channel. Saturday, I picked up my niece for the day. She had an overnight stay, so I had an extra kid in the house for the weekend, but we went to the pool. Our pool photos, 3x4s, you know, fed them. They're only 8 months apart, so it's really fun when I can scoop her for the weekend, and vice versa. Then like next month, she'll go over to my cousin's house and be with them. They only have their daughter and we only have ours. So they're sister cousins, they call each other. So they're really cute together. ing words, a lot of 2x2s. Probably just the price tag for a new pair of shorts probably I wore that day. There's my wreath close up. What they had in the morning, French toast, afternoon, chicken nuggets, and rice and beans and chicken for dinner. Picture of my pantry. Making coffee. There's that date stamp again with the blue. Driving, and then the evening, that was them at night right before bed. She's eating a banana and she had a bowl of blueberries, so they're so cute. Gratitude once again on Sunday, and then here's the U title. Here are the 4x4s. Not the full page, 3x4s. We went to the park. ING words, 2x2s, screenshots, price tags, eating, another sequin pocket. And morning, watching the tablet, sticker book when we got home, and right before bed, our shoe closet, and then pictures of them. So when I took her home, Daddy went grocery shopping, and so this is our grocery list that week. I didn't fill in this card. I forgot. There's Daddy. Went to the gym, got my Mother's Day gift, and then finished it off right there. And that's the complete week in the life. So now this is my 6th or 7th year completing this. And it really is one of my favorite projects because I like having them all. But I will say this year, what was it this year? I did get it done rather quick because now the date, it's only happened 2 weeks ago. So I would say I kept up with it, which is good because sometimes this project can be intense because of the amount of journaling that's involved. And sometimes if you don't keep up with it, that part can be intimidating and kind of stall you out. So I'm so glad that I'm able to have it complete and on my shelf, and most of all, complete. Thank you so much, as always, for joining me. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It always helps my channel out. And until next time, everyone, bye.